Hello, good evening. My name is Rokli Kiran Ashok from Ahmednagar. Today's date is 27 July 2021. Today's our topic is what is multithreading and its methods. So we have discussed about the multithreading before we are going to thread. So what is mean by threads? So thread is a independent and it is the processing to unit, and there are two ways to create the thread. So first upon thread class and second upon runnable interface. So I have discussed about the thread class and runnable interface. So what is the thread class? So we have created the class. Suppose is class name is suppose we have created the class, and in that in class and in between the various types of methods we have put in that class, and as well as constructor. And second upon runnable interface. So runnable interface we have put the only run methods, and then we have discussed about the multi-threading. So what is mean by multi-threading? Multi-threading is a mean by we have create and to multi so sorry we have create a multitask which can be implemented by simultaneously as well as parallel. And there are two types of multitasking. Suppose first of all thread based multitasking, and second upon process based multitasking. So I have discussed about what is the difference between process based multitasking and thread based multitasking. So we have let's start the difference between two. So process based multitasking. So process based multitasking is required to more space because it's required more space, and then and then thread based space required is less space. And second difference is its memory address is its memory address to allocate the process base, and the thread base memory allocated to its to be addressed to share to another thread. And third upon thread based multitasking is expensive. Its communication is expensive as compared to thread base, and thread base communication is cheaper as compared to process base. So it's a difference between process base and thread base. So we have discussed about the what is the benefits of multithreading. So what is the benefits of multithreading? So we have suppose we have unable to programmer, and we have to work in our company in the specific task. So suppose we have work in our program, your projects, and we have create the new tab. Suppose new tab we have singing a song. At that time we have working in our projects, and as well as we have singing a song in next tab, new tab. So in that case we have work in two or more tab simultaneously as well as parallel. And the second upon suppose we have create the second upon we have used the to improvement and implementation to your multiple applications by using multi-threading. And there are various benefits of multi-threading. So we have used and there are various types of methods in multi-threading. Suppose first upon sleep method, then run method, sleep method, run method, yield method, join method, daemon thread method to set priority based methods. So we have discussed about the briefly by one. So first upon sleep methods. The sleep method is suppose we have created a class. So suppose we have created the class, and class name is a test, and then by using the for loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, and SOP we have SOP in the I. So in that case, after SOP we have create the thread of sleep, and we have create the thread of sleep, and we input the specific limit. Specific limit means we have created the 1000.